Before beginning this section, please review the safety section on this CD. Remember, failure to follow prescribed safety practices and requirements may result in severe injury or death. Safety goggles must be worn. Use lockout, tagout procedures. Use an OSHA-approved air nozzle when working with compressed air. The cutter blade. Remove feed and tension unit cover. Remove track spring and track. Loosen 2 set screws. Drive roll pin out of the cutter lever. Then remove cutter blade. The cutter yoke. Remove yoke cover assembly. Remove 2 Allen head screws and washers. Remove cutter yoke.